All right, next we're gonna do some turkey legs. You can do turkey leg, turkey wings. I'm at the house and I got a glass baking pan. You can use aluminum baking pan. What I do, I go ahead and put a little chicken broth at the bottom of the pan. And then when I get the turkey legs, I put them in the pan and alternate them. And this technique I use, you can use whatever technique you want, but I season my stuff in the pan. And same thing, I use some of the Japanese barbecue sauce on one side and then season it with one of my season number one, and then I put it in, let it cook. Same thing, 350, high as 365, maybe 370, and then I let it go. Get brown on that one side, and then about a good hour or so, you pull them out, flip them, and then you can use the soy sauce on the other side and season it, with the other seasoning. Same, my seasoning, my number one seasoning, it has garlic and herbs, onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, and some garlic powder. The number two, it has a complete seasoning. It has garlic salt and Old Bay in it, and that way you get different flavors on both sides, and also that flavor is inside. And then you cook them about halfway where you cook them, and they brown on both sides. Then you can wrap them in foil and let them slow cook. Turn the oven down to 250. If you want to add like onions or bell pepper, any other peppers in there, you can put them in there before you wrap it in foil, and that'll let it cook real good, nice and slow. All right, I got the turkey legs in the pan. Like I say, you alternate them, that way they cook good evenly. And then I add some of my sauce. You just sprinkle a little bit over each turkey leg. And the same thing, turkey wing. Got a little bit on there. Now, I do sometimes try to make sure I marinate them a little bit. Marinate the meat. You can use some of your soy sauce and some of the barbecue sauce if you got just a little bit of oil. If you want to add some seasoning, water, just let it marinate a little bit in the refrigerator before you cook it. If not, same thing. When you get them, clean them good. Use some vinegar, some lemon. Rinse them off real good, and then you can still add those sauces and seasoning when you get them in the pan. Then I just season, like I said, my number one. Season it good. All the way through. Now, some people they'll season the whole leg and put it in a pan or bowl or whatever, flip it. I just put mine in a pan, that way season it. And then flip it about halfway and season it some more. And then towards the end, get ready to wrap it in foil. If you want to dash it, then put a little bit more seasoning on there. That's good too. All right, you got it nice and seasoned. Got that good seasoning coat on it. Get ready to go ahead and put it in the oven. Bake it 350 for a good hour, 45 minutes, depending on, if you have it at 365, 370. All right, just pull them turkey legs out. Been going about a good 40 minutes, 45 minutes at 350. Now I get ready to flip them. And then same thing, you look at your pan. If you want to add some more chicken broth or add some water to it, make sure you add your liquids like your chicken broth or water, and then like your soy sauce and other sauce before you put your seasoning on. That way it don't wash the seasoning off, okay? All right, got them flipped over. Get ready to put a little bit of soy sauce on there. Put the soy sauce on there, then I season them. Again, these are just different techniques that I've tried. You can use a marinade, the injection, if you want to inject the turkey legs or whatever you're cooking to add flavor to it also. But just something different. Have fun with it. Have fun with your cooking. Enjoy it. Alrighty, we got the other side seasoned up good. Wish you could smell it. Ooh, it smells good. We'll go ahead and put them back in the oven and let them go. Now, some people might say, oh, you flip them over. That's one side. Well, that first side, when it cooked and it got good and brown, it's crispy. When you flip it, that is still on the meat. So you're not losing your seasoning, not losing none of your flavor. And also it's adding into your chicken broth or water, your jus that's at the bottom of the pan. And that way, if you want to make some gravy and all that, all we're doing right now is just doing the basic baked turkey in the oven. Ooh-wee. Now look at them turkey legs. Boy, they look ready right now, don't they? Now that right here, if you got your, you want to add some vegetables to it, some onions, bell pepper, and also if you got a gravy, you can go ahead and whip your gravy up, and then you can pour it with, the turkey legs. But this one, I add a little bit of butter on mine, and then I wrap it in that foil, and I turn the oven down to 250, and let it go for like another 25-30 minutes till it get ready to fall off the bone. All right. Got those baked turkey legs out the oven, still wrapped tight in that foil. Get ready to pull it back, see what it looked like. Like I said, just did it pretty much first time doing them in a while with video, but feel free to add, take away whatever. I didn't put any onions or bell peppers in there. You can add that, or you can make your own turkey gravy. But you got your turkey legs. You can add them with some rice, pasta, whatever you like to eat it with, or eat it by itself. But let's see what it looks like. Let's pull it back. Oh, it's still kind of hot. There we go. See that steam coming off of there. That's good right there. You get you one of them turkey legs. Good. Meat just fall off. You don't need no sauce, nothing like that. And just enjoy. Create your own recipe. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy life. And hey, don't give up. Thanks for joining Brooks Barbecue Cooking and Barbecue Videos.